Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and right now, the reason I'm making this is because I'm just getting bored, and I'm just wearing my mom's Beats after listening to some music, and I want to show you like what it looks like outside in my perspective. Wait, it's upside down. Wait, can I get it like this? No. Is it windy? I swear to God, it was just windy. Wait. I swear it's windy. I swear to God, it was just windy. Wait. What the heck? It's not windy at all.
Now it's windy.
Here, look. And with the camera, you can't see any wind.
But, like, look at that tree right
Look,
there.
I don't care. Oh, that's good. That's the proof it's windy. It was just flipping raining. I swear, it was just raining. See, well, you can see my path is wet. That's how you know it's raining. It was raining.
It was just raining like 5 seconds ago and then it just stopped.
Yeah. And so I just wanted to tell you that I might post another video today because there might be a storm, and then I would record obviously with my Beats on. See, wait, just like this. Just like this, I'll record my Beats like I am right now. And right now my dad is watching TV. Right now, Mom's doing stuff for our parties. Yeah, Mom, I'm done. And I just want to show you what the flip it looks like outside right now. That's what it looks like outside. It's so weird. So I hope you guys like this video. I just want to tell you this is like a weather alert. Okay, guys? Bye.